Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a protein and fiber rich oats omelette recipe ideal to include in your weight loss diet. This nutrient dense and healthy oats recipe can be enjoyed as a filling meal for breakfast, lunch or dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. To make oats omelette, into a cast iron pan, I'm adding in 1/4 cup old-fashioned rolled oats and I'm lightly roasting the oats on low flame. I prefer to use old-fashioned rolled oats as they are high in fiber. Now the reason why you need to roast oats is to release the phytic acid content in oats. Phytates are nutrient inhibitors which may prevent nutrient absorption. Also, for some people, oats may cause digestive issues like gas, bloating or indigestion. So it's always ideal to either roast the oats or soak the oats before using them. And once lightly roasted, turn off the flame and transfer the oats to another plate. And allow the oats to cool down. Now to make this easier, you can do this process earlier. That is, you just need to dry roast some oats and powder and store it in an airtight glass container. And that will make the whole process a lot easier. To powder the oats, I'm using my small chutney grinder and I'm adding in the cooled oats into the chutney grinder. And now I'm going to powder the oats. The oats are nicely ground and I'm adding it into a bowl. Into this I'm adding in some vegan milk. Today I'm using cashew milk. I have already shared how to make cashew milk along with many other vegan plant-based milk. Please do check them out. If you don't have any issues with dairy, you can use dairy milk instead. I have measured half cup of cashew milk and I'm adding in little by little and mix it really well and make it into a smooth batter. I used a total of half cup of cashew milk and this is the consistency of the batter. I'm going to keep this aside while I get the other ingredients ready, and after about 5 minutes this will slightly thicken. Into another bowl I'm adding in 1 whole egg. Next I'm adding in 2 egg whites. So this is 1 whole egg and 2 egg whites. Into this I'm adding in pink Himalayan salt as needed, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Today I am using bygone turmeric which has high curcumin content. Half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. You can increase or decrease black pepper powder as per your taste. And now with a fork I am mixing all this really well. Once nicely mixed, keep this aside. Now let's check on the oats batter. As you can see, it has slightly thickened and it is of a pourable consistency. So this is the consistency which you should be looking at. For 1/4 cup of rolled oats which I have roasted and powdered, I used half cup of plant-based vegan milk. Into this I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed. Now to make this more filling and nutrient dense, I'm going to add in some vegetables. So first I'm adding in 2 tablespoons or 1/4 of a capsicum finely chopped, 2 green chili finely chopped, half of a tomato deseeded and finely chopped. This will be about 2 tablespoons of chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons or about 1/3 of onion, 2 tablespoons grated carrot, a couple of sprigs of coriander leaves. To make it more nutrient dense, I'm adding in some fresh moringa leaves. Instead of fresh moringa leaves, you can use half to 3/4 teaspoon of moringa powder. Moringa is also known as nature's multivitamin and I have shared many videos on the health benefits of moringa leaves. Please do check them out to understand more about the health benefits of moringa. I'm roughly tearing the moringa leaves and adding in. You can add in any green leafy vegetables of your choice which is available locally and which is in season. And with a spoon I'm mixing all this really well. You can include as much as vegetables of your choice, like maybe finely chopped broccoli, mushrooms, any vegetable which is in season and which you prefer. And once nicely mixed, I'm adding in the beaten egg. So this is 1 whole egg and 2 egg whites. Give this a good mix. This is an excellent protein and fiber rich filling meal which you can enjoy any time of the day. Ideal to have as a filling breakfast or as a lunch or as a dinner. I'm heating a cast iron tawa with 2 teaspoons wood pressed coconut oil. Lightly swirl the tawa so that the oil is nicely coated all over the tawa. Reduce the flame to the lowest and pour in the oats and egg mix. Lightly spread the mixture evenly. You can get 2 medium-sized oats omelette with this mixture, or you can make 1 large oats omelette. I am making 2 medium-sized oats omelette with this mix, and cover and allow it to cook on low flame. Open the lid and you can see that the top portions has cooked. So at this point I am carefully flipping it over. And allow that side to get cooked as well. Another important thing is you should use a well seasoned cast iron tawa, else the oats omelette may stick to the tawa. Now with regard to the oil I am using, I use wood pressed coconut oil. You can use any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice like mustard oil, groundnut oil, till oil, or even A2 desi ghee. Any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice is ideal. Remember that healthy cooking is all about using the right quality of oil. So try to use wood pressed oils in your diet for your better health. Cooking in cast iron also helps in iron absorption. So always try to make sure that at least one of your meal is cooked in a cast iron cookware, especially if you have iron deficiency anemia. Flip it over once more. And once that side is done, carefully transfer to a plate. Repeat the same thing with the rest of the batter. So guys, do try this healthy oats omelette and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.